The recipe requires 1 kilogram of chicken pieces as a primary ingredient. Dahi, at a quantity of 1/2 cup, is needed for marination. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice are required to enhance the flavor profile. The recipe incorporates 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste. The dry ingredients include red chili powder, black pepper, salt, maida, corn flour, and baking powder. Chicken pieces are combined with dahi in a bowl. Lemon juice is added to the chicken and dahi mixture. Ginger garlic paste is incorporated into the marinade. Red chili powder, black pepper, and salt are sprinkled over the chicken. Soy sauce is poured into the bowl to complete the marinade. Marination involves covering the chicken with marinade to infuse it with flavor. Refrigeration is necessary to maintain food safety during the marination process. The marinating chicken should be refrigerated for 2-3 hours to allow sufficient flavor penetration. Flavor penetration occurs as the marinade's components diffuse into the chicken's tissues. Covering the bowl prevents contamination and maintains optimal marination conditions. Proper marination enhances the chicken's taste and texture. The coating mixture consists of maida, corn flour, salt, red chili powder, black pepper, and baking powder. These dry ingredients are combined in a bowl to create the coating mixture. The purpose of this mixture is to provide a coating for food items. Proper mixing ensures an even distribution of flavors and textures in the final coating. The initial step involves thoroughly coating each marinated chicken piece in a dry coating mixture. Complete coverage with the dry mixture is essential for optimal texture and flavor development during cooking. The dry coating acts as a foundation for subsequent layers, enhancing the overall crispness of the final product. This coating process ensures a uniform distribution of flavor and a consistent crispy texture across the entire surface of the chicken. The coated chicken piece is briefly dipped in water or milk. Dipping enhances the adhesion of the next coating layer. Water or milk acts as a binding agent for subsequent coatings. This process ensures a uniform and robust final coating. A second coating layer is applied to the chicken to enhance crispiness. Firm pressure is applied during the second coating to ensure a thick, even layer. The double coating process results in a significantly crispier final product. An even coating distribution is crucial for uniform crispiness across the entire surface. The second layer of coating provides additional protection against moisture loss during cooking. Heating oil in a deep fryer or large pan is a crucial step in frying preparation. The oil should be heated over medium heat to achieve the optimal frying temperature. The oil temperature must be hot enough to fry food properly, but not so hot that it begins to smoke. Maintaining the correct oil temperature ensures even cooking and prevents burning. Using a thermometer is recommended to accurately monitor and control the oil temperature during frying. Coated chicken pieces must be carefully placed into hot oil to ensure even cooking. Overcrowding the pan reduces oil temperature, leading to unevenly cooked chicken. Maintaining optimal oil temperature is crucial for achieving a crispy and golden brown exterior. Proper spacing allows for consistent heat distribution and prevents sticking. Using the correct amount of oil ensures the chicken is submerged and cooks evenly. Frying chicken pieces requires maintaining a consistent oil temperature for optimal results. The frying process typically takes 10-12 minutes to achieve a golden brown and crispy exterior. Even cooking necessitates flipping the chicken pieces periodically during frying. Golden brown color indicates the Maillard reaction, contributing to the flavor and texture of fried chicken. Crispy texture is achieved through moisture evaporation and surface dehydration during frying. Proper frying technique ensures that the chicken is cooked thoroughly without burning the exterior. Confirming the internal temperature of chicken ensures it is thoroughly cooked. Reaching a safe internal temperature is crucial for food safety when frying chicken. Insufficient internal temperature may result in undercooked and unsafe chicken. A food thermometer is a reliable tool for measuring the internal temperature of fried chicken. Different parts of the chicken should be checked to ensure consistent internal temperature. Maintaining a consistent frying temperature aids in achieving the correct internal temperature. Fried chicken pieces are removed from the hot oil. Excess oil is drained from the fried chicken using a wire rack. The wire rack facilitates the removal of excess oil, preventing soggy chicken. Draining excess oil enhances the crispiness and texture of the fried chicken. Ketchup is a common serving sauce. Mayonnaise is another popular serving sauce. Garlic sauce is also frequently used as a serving sauce. Various serving sauces can be prepared for different dishes. Crispy fried chicken pieces are arranged on a serving plate. The arrangement of the chicken pieces aims for visual appeal and balance. The plating process enhances the presentation of the fried chicken. Serving plates are selected to complement the food's color and texture. An assortment of sauces is presented alongside the fried chicken. The sauces offer a variety of flavor profiles to complement the fried chicken. The presentation emphasizes the diverse culinary experience. The visual arrangement aims to enhance the appeal of both the chicken and the sauces. The final dish is presented, ready for consumption. Prepared sauces accompany the dish, enhancing its flavor profile. The combination of dish and sauces offers a complete culinary experience. The presentation emphasizes the artistry and care involved in the dish's preparation.